Have you ever wanted to experience the burn of a quality Pilates workout without the pain of going all the way to the studio? Introducing the Vital Therapy Adjustable Yoga Exercise Pilates Bar Stick Kit. Its compact design can clip together in just seconds and it has multiple tension adjustments to give you everything you need to start your own Pilates routine at home. This kit includes a sturdy Pilates bar stick, an adjustable band, and illustrated instructions that you can use or you can create a routine of your own. The number of exercises you can do at home with just this one piece of equipment has now grown exponentially. You can work just about every part of your body with just this one piece of equipment. And the best part, once you're done your workout, you're not left with a bulky piece of equipment that's going to take up an entire room. Simply unclip the bar and tuck it away until your next workout. To find this and other fitness products, visit us online or in store. And if you've enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.